Welcome to the ultimate Haste Karthus, where we lower the ultimate cooldown as much as possible. This build is useless, but I just want to see the lowest number we can get on Karthus' ultimate, and that's it. No quality, only quantity. Let's begin. Ulti! Oh, I killed Pike! Ulti! Fuck yeah. You ain't recalling, bitch! Hell yeah. Oh no. He missed. Teleportation! Fucking outplayed. Reported all. Malzahar ulti! Outplay! Outplay! Mals! $138. Ultimatum! Oh fuck, I died. Yeah! Ulti! 53 seconds. My ulti is 55 seconds. Twitch! Kill! Yes! GG. Excuse. Oh fuck. Really? Don't. Big Dick is back in town, baby! Boom! I fucking missed it. Volibear, catch! Catch! Ultimatum! Boom! Is Cho'Gath dying today? What the fuck? No, you so blind. Yeah, no, you blind. Samira Sigma. Nice brain woman. Nice brain woman. 0 drunke, 14 deaths. Loser. Lemao. Negative KDA. Oh yeah? Oh yeah! Hasaki, let me suck you off. Whoa, that was so cool. Did you see that? He pulled him in. Hasaki, suck me off. It's the only way to win. Oh, face the wind. Yeah, Hasaki, throw another one of them wings. Fuck! Bitches be hacking. Well, if they're fucking hacking, what's the point of playing? Hasaki, the best fucking player of all time. And Master too. "22 seconds. "10 seconds. Fuck yeah! GG's. No. Bro, that looks so cool. Stanislav, do you want a cigarette? I'm gonna give you the next time.
Penis. O çok güzel. O çok güzel. Benim kebabim.
Oh, holy shit. 911 damage.